to the mystery box slide challenge. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Let's do this! I'm gonna beat you, Max!
No way!
Whoever slides into the good item gets a point. Let's see what they got for the first round. This side is gonna get ketchup, which is the good item. And this side is gonna get mayo and feathers, which is the bad item. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Yes!
Ladies first!
Okay, I choose purple!
Alright, I get blue!
3, 2, 1, go!
Ugh, mayo's so gross, but at least I look like a chicken.
Oh, is this ketchup? Yum!
Congratulations, Max, you get the point. And sorry, Ivy, you didn't get a point because you got the nasty food. Are you guys ready for this next round?
Yeah!
Ready!
All right, let's see what we got down the slide. Purple side gets gold coins and blue side gets shaving cream. 3, 2.
Huh? Max, come back here!
Gold!
Shaving cream? I didn't need to shave today.
Gold! Wait, is this chocolate? Chocolate!
Sorry, Max, you lost this round, but congrats, Ivy, you got a point.
Haha, chocolate for the win!
You guys are tied up. It's getting heated in here.
Safety first!
Time to put on the goggles.
Let's see who gets which lane. Highest card wins.
I got the ace of hearts!
Oh, 4 of diamonds.
Congratulations, Ivy. You get to choose a slide.
I want the blue lane this time!
Alright, I'll take the purple.
Blue side gets the whipped cream and chocolate. And purple side gets guacamole. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whipped cream and chocolate! Oh yeah, this is delicious!
Guacamole, gross!
Nice, Ivy, you got the point. And sorry, Max, you didn't get the point. But now it's time for the next round.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors to see who chooses this time. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Haha! I'm sticking with blue!
Alright, I got purple.
Blue lane is gonna get the bad items, which is eggs. And the purple side gets a cake. Oh, I'm so sorry, cake. It's so pretty. 3, 2, 1, slide.
Ugh, slimy egg yolks!
Oh, I got the chocolate cake!
Oh, sorry, Ivy. You didn't get the point. Congrats, Max. You got a point.
Yes!
Are you guys ready for the last round? You guys are tied 2 and 2.
Whoa, tied up?
It's now or never!
Alright.
I hope these guys like swimming with fish, because on the purple side, we got Swedish fish. And on the blue side, we got sardines. Oh. Max, since you won the last round, heads or tails?
I choose tails.
Heads, Ivy, you get to choose.
Yay, I'm gonna switch it up and choose purple!
Alright, I get blue.
Goggles on, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, those were sardines! Ew, that's so gross!
I love to fish!
Oh, Max, based on your smell, you lost. Congrats, Ivy, you win.
Yay!
Max, as the loser, mister, you have to go down the slide one more time.
One more time. What's at the end?
It is a mystery slide challenge. I can't tell you.
Okay.
Ivy, come with me. Why? Just trust me.
Okay.
All right, here it goes. Ah! Huh? There's nothing here. Huh?
Haha, you lose, Max.
This is your punishment. Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.